In this video, I'm going to show you how to change voice on Google Gemini. And the first thing we're going to do is we're going to open our Gemini app. And from here, we're going to click on the top right icon where your name is being displayed. And we're going to click on this. In here, we see a couple of options. And right now, we're going to click on Settings. And from Settings, we are going to click on Gemini's voice. And when I click on this, a couple of sounds are being played. So a couple of styles of voices. So you are going to hear that right now. And as you can see, I selected Urza as my voice. And you can select any voice, of course. And when you have finalized your selection, then you basically click on the voice. And then in this screen, you're going to click on Done at the top right. And now everything will be in the voice you've just selected. So if this video helped you out, please leave a like and consider subscribing. And then I see you in the next one.